Hello students, today I will tell you about the last property of haloarenes, that is ring substitution or electrophilic substitution reactions. So there are 5 types of electrophilic substitution. One is halogenation of haloarene, and then nitration, sulfonation, and these two are very important, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. So if we talk about halogenation, so if we take example of any haloarene, that is if we take chlorobenzene, and the reaction of halogenation means reaction with halogen in the presence of Lewis acid like FeCl3. So in this reaction the chlorination of chlorobenzene gives chloro orthodichlorobenzene, because this functional group chlorobenzene is ortho-para director. That's why the products are formed in 2 positions. One is in ortho position and second is in para position. So these 2 products are formed by the chlorination of chlorobenzene. So if we represent this in the general formation, and then we write ARX, that is the formula for haloarene when it is treated with halogen in the presence of Lewis acid like FeX3. Then the product form here is halogenation, means ARX means aromatic ring and one halogen group, and the substituent is attached in ortho position as well as in para position. So similarly other halogenation and other electrophilic substitution reactions are going in similar manner. Okay, now I will tell you about the electrophilic substitution reactions. So this is the haloarene. When halogenation takes place, then it gives ortho product as well as para product. Similarly in case of nitration, so in case of nitration we use concentrate HNO3 and H2SO4. So in this nitro group is attached with ortho position and para position, means all products are similar. The only difference here is which type of electrophilic substitution reaction is going on. If it is nitration, then NO2 and NO2 electrophile. NO2 electrophile is attached on ortho position, and in second case in para position. So because this haloarene is ortho-para director, that's why it gives product on ortho position as well as in para position, and this X remains on the ring. So the next is sulfonation. In case of sulfonation we use concentrate H2SO4 and X is present on the ring and SO3H. So this group is formed here. So the benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H is attached in ortho and para position. Now next two are alkylation and acylation. So when haloarene treated with CS3Cl or C2H5Cl like this alkyl group CS3Cl, if CS3Cl and AlCl3 is the combination, then CS3 group is introduced on the ring on ortho position and in para position. So CS3 group with this X with this halogen on the ring. Then last is acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this CS3COCl, we use CS3COCl in the presence of AlCl3. This CS3CO group is introduced on the ring, that is aromatic ketone, and in ortho position, and second product is forming in para position. So these are the electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. So now in these electrophilic substitution, the observation is if we place halogenation for haloarene, then it forms halogen groups. ये आपका X जो है यहाँ पर को X में भी फ्लोरो क्लोरो ब्रोमो आइडो लाइक दिस. सो यहाँ X हेलोजन से रिप्लेस करते हैं, तो यहाँ आपका हेलोजन कोई भी आ सकता है, अटैच हो सकता है, तो हेलोजिनेशन है. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट नाइट्रेशन, देन नाइट्रो ग्रुप, नाइट्रेशन स्टैंड्स फॉर नाइट्रो ग्रुप. सल्फोनेशन स्टैंड्स फॉर सल्फोनिक ग्रुप, क्योंकि सल्फोनिक ग्रुप इसमें आपका रिंग में अटैच हो जाता है. सिमिलरली फॉर लास्ट 2 केसेस, if it is alkylation, then alkyl group is attached with the ring, and if it is acylation, then acyl group, COCS3 group is acyl group in organic chemistry. So these are the electrophilic reactions. So finally, I will tell you about the mechanism of one of the electrophilic substitution reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, because other electrophilic substitution reactions are also give the similar mechanism in this way. So if we write the reaction, first write the reaction of chlorobenzene with CS3Cl and AlCl3. Two products are formed. One is ortho derivative and second is para, because chlorobenzene itself acts as ortho-para directing group. That's why the alkylation gives two products, ortho product and para product. Now if we talk about mechanism of that reaction, then the mechanism proceed through two steps, one step and second step. First step is the formation of electrophile. So other electrophilic substitution reactions are also similar, because it is all depend on the reagent which we are using in the electrophilic substitution reaction. So if we talk about alkylation, so in this particular reaction we use CS3Cl plus AlCl3. So the reactants give the electrophile here in this way. So first we write CS3Cl, alkyl halide, or it is methyl chloride, and in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So Cl is out from this reaction in this way, AlCl4 is out as a byproduct, and the remaining product is CS3, and which is a positively charged species, and that is known as electrophile. Now in the next step, step 2, the electrophile attacks on the ring. So if electrophiles attacks on the ring, means Cl is already present in this, because it is X haloarine, and if we rotate the double bonds in this way, then the resonating structure, the alternative structure is formed in this way. This bond migrates here in this position. Then if we rotate in other way, then it gives a similar ring. But after this, when electrophile attacks on the ring, because already halogen is present in this position, Cl, so CS3 attacks on first in one position, and then because carbon and hydrogen are attached with the overall structure, if possible structure, then simply we show by hydrogen, and this electrophile is attached on this position, ortho position, and it acquires the ortho position in this way, directly attached with this position. And similarly the mechanism is going through for para as well. So this is the mechanism of electrophilic substitution. Instead of using CS3Cl, if we use CS3COCl, if we talk about acylation, the only difference here is in this CS3COCl is generated as electrophile. That's why all electrophilic substitution reaction give the similar type of mechanism. So that is all about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution. Thank you.